Help us wealth, motivate yourself. I got a 25-pound weight dumbbell, 25 pounds. You see it? I'm gonna try to do some weighted pull-ups, and it's raining. The rain coming all through the little holes right here. Let's see what we can do. I tried to beat the rain, but it started raining. Oh well, I'm gonna come out here anyway. Should I use these or this? Let's see how many steps I can get in. Let's see how this gonna move. That's one set. I actually really was going to another pull-up bar, and I was going to do dragon flags. But I said, I'm going to just come out here. That's one set. Let's see if I can get in 5 sets. Ten push-ups. They ain't gonna hurt nothing, is it? I actually gotta go in like 15 minutes. So let me try to give me a quick one in real quick. It's raining. Now, the rain coming through these little holes, but it's doing a little something. It's helping a little something. I haven't done weighted pull-ups in a few years. I don't know last time I did them. I used to do them at it don't matter. You hear the thunder. I still might go do my dragon flags. I ain't sure yet. It's gonna be later on today. That's 2 sets. We out here. Well, I'm out here. I don't got my music because I got my glasses in the car. I want to, even though they're waterproof, and I jog with them and stuff, I didn't want to take them out in the rain. Or they had to carry all this stuff. Plus, I'm only out here for a few minutes. 5 sets. Woo! I'm gonna have to start doing this more often. But they're tough for real. Ready, one man? Oh, it's tough. It's raining hard. Oh my God. They got tougher. That's 25 extra pounds. Woo. I should have did some squats too. I'm just gonna add some. I'm gonna do some now. Let me look at the clock real quick, see what time it is. Gotta leave in like 9 minutes. Gotta leave in 9 minutes. 10 minutes the most. Gotta drop somebody off. Gotta drop my stepson off at work. And I knew it was raining. I didn't want to wait long and it'd be raining even harder. He's tough. You hear the thunder? I was just saying it's supposed to rain. There's a 95% chance of rain. But I was looking at the clouds and it didn't really look like it was going to rain. It was like one set of clouds that were kind of dark. There's 2 sets of squats, 4 sets of weighted pull-ups, 4 sets of 10 push-ups, you know, the push-ups, you know. We got 1 set left. Can we make it? It's tough. I've been done weighted pull-ups and I did it with like a chain on with weights and, you know, all that. Woo. Woo. 30 more seconds. Let's get my arms loose. Stalling, right? Like I tell people, the pull-up bar ain't going nowhere. You might as well do it. One man, the pull-up bar ain't going nowhere. Might as well do it. And this is really like an impromptu workout from a workout I was gonna do anyway. Which I ain't gonna understand unless I break it all the way down, but I kinda told y'all I was going to a different pull-up bar. With the dragon flags. But I was gonna do a set of weighted pull-ups. Not a whole bunch of them though. Woo! So, I feel like I ripped something in my pinky.
Yeah, wait, it's getting lighter again. It's getting lighter again.
No, you good? Y'all good? Y'all good?
You good?
Yeah, y'all good?
Yeah. Wait, let's go to the work session. Okay, yeah, it keeps getting harder and lighter, harder and lighter.
Feel like I tore something in my pinky last set. I still got squats, right? Always keep my arms up right here, right? Because it feels like it make my squats harder. If I just keep my hands low, I feel like the squats are easier. So I always put my hands up. That's what I do. I'm gonna go and get 2 more sets of squats in, so it could be 5 sets altogether. Just a measly thing. I really used to do sets of 100 in the crib without even recording these all the time. I really did something to my pinky. You know. You know what I'm gonna try before I leave? I'm gonna try to do, y'all know I do L-sit pull-ups, but I'm gonna try to do 1 weighted L-sit pull-up, because it's gonna be tough to even get it up there. And it's 25 pounds. It's gonna be tough, but I'm gonna try to get 1. My pinky feel funny, but we're gonna go. Where them kids go? First of all, where they come from? It's a neighborhood right there, though. I might can't get it up for the L core strength, but it's my core depth strong to do it. Ah! Oh my God, that's the best I could give you. We out of here. Look, health is wealth. Motivate yourself. If you cannot find somebody to motivate you and you can't motivate them, just do it by yourself. You gotta motivate yourself. You live with yourself. When you look in the mirror, that's you. No matter what you see in the mirror, that's you. That's what you did. That's your choices. One man, the cyborg. It's out. I'm late too. I know I'm running late.